Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Newspaper Rock sits just outside Monticello, Utah, quietly positioned along a sandstone cliff in a landscape that otherwise feels open and understated. At first glance, the rock face looks ordinary. It is only when you move closer that its surface begins to resolve into layers of carved symbols, figures, and patterns. The site is known as Newspaper Rock, named for the way its markings resemble pages filled with overlapping messages. The carvings were created over hundreds, possibly thousands of years by different indigenous cultures who passed through or lived in the region. The rock face is covered with petroglyphs etched directly into the sandstone. Human figures, animals, tracks, spirals, and abstract shapes appear side by side, often layered on top of one another. There is no single story being told. Instead, the surface functions more like a record, a place where meaning accumulated over time. Unlike pictographs painted onto rocks, these images were carved by removing the dark outer layer of stone to expose lighter rock beneath. That technique makes the symbols durable, allowing them to remain visible long after the people who created them moved on. What makes Newspaper Rock especially striking is density. Many petroglyph sites feature a handful of images spaced apart. Here the carvings are tightly packed, filling the rock face with detail. The effect is overwhelming in a quiet way, inviting observation rather than explanation. The meaning of the symbols is not fully known. Some may represent clan markings, events, travel routes, or spiritual concepts. Others may have been added simply because its location was already recognized as significant. The site reflects continuity rather than authorship. Importantly, the carvings are not arranged for modern viewers. There is no central image or hierarchy. Older symbols sit beside newer ones without separation, showing how the rock remains relevant across generations. The surrounding landscape adds context. The site is located near natural travel corridors and water sources, suggesting it was encountered repeatedly rather than accidentally. This was a place people returned to, not a one-time marker. Today, Newspaper Rock is protected, but largely unchanged. There is no attempt to interpret every symbol or impose a single narrative. That restraint allows the site to retain its original character. Newspaper Rock is powerful because it resists translation. It stands as a layered record of presence, not a monument.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.